Point guard from Naga City, number 5, Mikey Williams. Shooting guard from Talisay City.
As you see Eram in the ball game, nice screen on Williams. Mikey drains the three.
Such a great scorer, coming off screens, coming off handoffs, and his release is just so fast. It's not really that easy. Rebounding team will win games. Why? Because it gives you more opportunities to score. If you're struggling in the field, which is what happened in Meralco in that game, yan, nakakuha sila ng opportunities. And of course, yung pa nilang import, ang dami rin ako. The import also provides at least 20 points in the game, then Meralco has a good chance of winning.
Speaking of good chances of winning, if Mikey Williams continues to stay hot and becomes... Look at Mikey sailing all the way to the basket.
Kakatatlong puntos na rito ang TNT so far, you know? But of course, when you talk about Meralco, they're really doing a good job. Not happening so far with Meralco.
As Mikey Williams providing the firepower right now for TNT.
Anyway, they're still playing inspired basketball right now.
Mikey taking over right now with another floater inside.
See, that's the difference. I mean, even if you don't move that defense too much, but your shots are falling. So, hindi na kailangan you don't really have to do that much.
So, kicks it back out. Mikey's feeling it right now. Mikey Williams from way downtown.
Mikey Williams is just shooting the lights out here in the Smart Araneta Coliseum.
Meron ng Berry me, Mikey. Sign that. Play, they go to Ronde. Mikey Williams wide open three. Mikey counters back with a three of his own.
See, that's the problem right there.
Pointers in this entire game as Mikey Williams adds another one to his collection.
A big difference right here.
Just like that, Arthur, it's a 20-point ball game. TNT will win this easily here as it's a 99-80 victory para sa TNT Tropang GIGA.
That was a convincing win on the part of TNT. Mikey Williams really made up for that 0